Okay, so today we are going to visit the Merlion at 1 Fullerton. We are now along Geylang Road. We'll be cycling all the way straight to 1 Fullerton. So enjoy the trip. Okay, we are still along Geylang Road, and there is a masjid around here. It's called the Khadijah Mosque. It's still a long way to go, so stay with me. We have passed by Geylang Road, and currently we are going towards Kallang. That is the Kallang MRT station. It's still a long way up there, and currently we are on a bridge of the Kallang River. Over there is the Singapore Flyer MBS. Okay, enjoy the view first before we continue. Okay, so we are now at the junction of Nickel Highway and Raffles Boulevard. This is Suntec City. So if you follow by the Raffles Boulevard, you'll end up at the Marina Square. And if you go to the other side, you'll end up to Raffles City. So our journey is still quite a distance away. So we'll be cycling all the way straight up there. Okay, welcome to the Esplanade. We are still along Nickel Highway. That side is the CBD area, and if you can see over there is the Fullerton Hotel. So if you come up to this view, it means the Merlion is just somewhere from our point here. That's the Merlion. Okay, let's go to the Merlion. Okay, so this is the Merlion. You can see the Esplanade, the Marina Bay floating platform, Singapore Flyer, Art Science Museum, Marina Bay Sands. We have concluded the trip for today, so I hope you enjoyed. Okay, that's all I got to go. Thanks for watching.